Hi everyone, welcome back to SuccessSeat YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Infosys off-campus recruitment process for 2024 and 2025 batch candidates. This is a great opportunity for engineering and tech graduates looking to kickstart their career with one of India's top IT companies. We'll also walk you through the application form step by step, so stay tuned till the end. Job roles and salary details. Infosys is hiring for two key roles through this off-campus drive. Specialist Programmer, SP, with a salary package of 9.5 lakhs per annum rupees. Digital Specialist Engineer, DSE, with a salary package of 6.25 lakhs per annum rupees. The offered role will depend on your performance during the selection process. Recruitment mode. This year, the selection process will be conducted in hybrid mode. It will start with an online assessment to evaluate your programming proficiency. Candidates who clear the assessment will be invited for an in-person interview, where Infosys will test your technical knowledge and behavioral skills. Eligibility criteria. Let's now take a look at the eligibility criteria. Eligible courses: BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc, 5-year integrated course or MSc in mathematics. Eligible branches: Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Information Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cybersecurity. Academic criteria: minimum 6 CGPA or 68% in 10th and 12th. Only candidates from 2024 and 2025 batches are eligible. Last date to apply, 30th June. How to apply? Step-by-step guide. Now let's see how to apply step by step. First, click on the application link given in the video description. You'll be redirected to the Infosys application page. Infosys will collect your personal data including candidate name, email ID, phone number, address, date of birth, resume and passport size photo, educational qualifications. After reviewing the data usage policy, tick the checkbox and click on Accept. Now, provide your email address, first name, and last name, then click on Continue. The main application form will now open. You'll need to select gender, enter full name, email address, preferred and alternate contact numbers. Upload a passport size photo and your resume. Enter date of birth and citizenship details. Answer if you have a passport. Fill in your complete address, state, district, and post office. Once done, click Next. Educational Details section. Now enter your educational qualifications. 10th SSC. School name, board, specialization, country. Enter CGPA or percentage. Year and month of passing. 12th or diploma. College name, board, country, branch. Enter score and passing year month. Graduation, BTech, MTech, etc. Choose degree, institute, university, country, state. Select stream, enter CGPA percentage and month year of passing. If you've completed post-graduation, enter those details too. Otherwise, you can skip that section. You'll also need to answer: do you have any active backlogs? Do you have any gaps in education? Choose yes or no accordingly and click Next. Infosys Association section. Now, you'll be asked about your previous association with Infosys. Have you ever participated in any Infosys selection process before? Have you worked in Infosys or any of its subsidiaries, like Edgeverve Systems or Infosys BPM? Choose the appropriate answer and click Next. Declaration section. In the next section, answer the following. Have you ever worked as a director in any other company? Are you currently employed as a partner in any organization? Are there any legal cases or charges against you? Read the questions carefully and choose yes or no accordingly. Final step. Now, provide any required valid proof, if asked. Finally, click Submit, and your application will be successfully submitted. That's everything you need to know about the Infosys off-campus recruitment for 2024 and 2025 batch students. Make sure to apply before 30th June and don't wait till the last minute. The application link is already provided in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SuccessSeat for more such updates on off-campus drives, career tips, and job application guidance. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your Infosys application.